In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon over here at the top right corner. Then scroll to click on this section here called Voice Input and pick. Let's begin with Samsung Voice Input section. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on microphone icon at the bottom left corner. Hit while using the app, then agree. Tap on the same icon again, and this time start typing. Click on the same microphone to stop. If you prefer to pick Google Voice Input, you can select it in the same section by clicking here and tap on the same microphone. Then start typing. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use this button with a microphone to stop or start. Like that. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage some available options, click on this icon over here on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!